Alright, so I'm back at this shit. Damn, I gotta stop saying that, bro. I think I say that. I didn't say that too much. But anyway, it's Sunday. It's late. I'm finna just go ahead and knock this video out. I ain't gonna make it too long. I'm not gonna make it too short. And Slick came unprepared. But anyway, this week, I talked about this on the video I posted. Was the video I was supposed to post on Friday. I talked about it. The news. I jumped the gun a bit, but it was Friday, so I had to see what was going on next week. You feel me? But anyway, CPI Tuesday, PPI Monday for June, and then core retail sales Thursday, then Fed manufacturing index, retail sales. So we may get some moves in the market. It is earnings season this week. I talked about this as well. 3M, that's just the first name I saw. TSM, United, y'all see all the big names. PNC. I feel like, to me, I haven't asked Cunningham. I haven't asked anybody that I know who actually who does this. I haven't really asked them, but just from what I see on earnings season, the banks report first, and then the big name companies like Meta, Tesla, all that good stuff. But anyway, that's the earnings. Matter of fact, let me look at it before I just skip it. I know Thursday we got news. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. I'm tweaking. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. JB Hunt after market is crazy. I would love to see they stock. I didn't even know it was IPO. That's crazy. So yeah, I definitely will be listening to Bloomberg this week. But with further ado, nice, bro, nice. I don't even know which. All right, bet. We back at it. My bad, I just got through up. Anyway, SPY. Let's talk about SPY. SPY, what I want SPY to do. Matter of fact, let's talk about what SPY did. SPY Doji off the weekly. SPY did Doji off the weekly. By the end of this week, I could say where SPY wants to go, but as of right now, I feel like let me get into it first. But anyway, but I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I feel like it has to hold 620. Let me just say that. You feel me? But with that being said, what I want SPY to do, 620 bounce to see highs, 620, 619 bounce to see highs. We haven't really we made. Let me see. Hold on. No, we're definitely trending up. You feel me? We're definitely trending up. I ain't gonna lie, but just being at all time highs is like, I ain't gonna say it's tricky, but you do got to be a little more cautious. You feel me? So that's what I want. You feel me? Q's, Q. I did say 551 hold. I said 551 hold. Q's, to me, I feel like Q's move, just looking at this chart compared to SPY, Q's have much cleaner movement, if that makes sense. Let me just take a quick zoom. Where I know my chart is crazy. I will probably rechart it one of these days, but not today. But you can see this is it held 619. This was market. This was hold on, I'm sorry. I'm getting technical now. This was what is it? Look, this was live market. Boom, live market. It held, came down a bit, but it held pre-market. I mean, post-market. It held, and 619, 620 hasn't got tested. since like Tuesday, so that's about right. But yeah, but just going into the following week, I was just looking, you feel me? Just looking back what the week did. Make a long story short, but yeah, just going into this week, 619, 620. If those hold, we may go higher. We just have to see. Qs, I said 551 bounce. Straight like that. I don't got too much for the Qs. It could bounce out 549. I feel like I should have one like right here, but these off the 4 hour. I gotta start. I'm gonna do some. Majority of my levels, my bad. Majority of my levels will come off the 4 hour, but some of them will come off the hourly. You feel me? So I ain't gonna try to, you feel me? Make it too complicated for myself. The video, oh my god, the video is crazy. The video was consolidating. Shut up, nigga. Consolidating. It was consolidating Wednesday. It was at 9th. Hold on. That's crazy. So the video was, it didn't break. It got rejected 2 days in a row. Market open, and the video shut up crazy. And I remember this. I remember seeing this. Demetrius. That's kind of crazy. I just. Ain't nobody, but anyway, bro. Meat had got in, bro. Yeah, I remember he sent me. He was like, he was up like 30% on these, so I do remember that. And then it came down a bit. But anyway, make a long story short, 613 bounce. They can hold 613 or 614, where it was consolidating at. Could be golden. No, it wasn't consolidating 614. It was consolidating like, yeah, 614. I'm sorry, bear with me. You feel me? That is calling my name. I ain't gonna lie. I probably would start making these a little early because it's too late. Too late. But anyway, we still gotta get it done. Still gonna knock it out. Anyway, Amazon, Scamazon, whatever you want to call it. I would never say that again. Don't even mind me, bro. Anyway, said 222 bounce, not to be on no angel numbers, whatever. But I ain't gonna. All right, hold on. Let me lock in. Okay, 222 bounce. That's it, bro. I'm sorry. No. That's not it. 222 bounce because. Yeah, this where the line at. This where my trend line at. Straight like that. And then lastly, wow. I really gotta get fought with this keyboard. Like, anyway, on semiconductor. Let's look at it weekly. I have been, like, kind of looking at this stock. Really just waiting for it's straight green on the weekly. I mean, got little small candles, but overall green. And the small candles on the weekly, they don't have no real downside move or no real downside. What's the name until like this candle, but we shall see if it will pull back into 56 and 57. Talking about 57, 57. That's what I think. That's what I feel. On straight like that. I ain't gonna lie. Nigga is tired. I'm sorry for the lack of the effort in the video. Sorry for the I'm getting better. Nigga, shut the fuck up. Anyway.